Gentlemen, what if I told you that just 60 seconds a day, without pills, without side effects, and without anyone ever needing to know, could completely change the way your body feels, performs, and ages? Starting today, I'm Dr. Samira, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a time-tested, clinically supported technique that reawakens male vitality, something modern medicine is only beginning to understand, and yet ancient cultures already knew. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, or 70s, you do not have to accept decline as your new normal. This is your moment to reclaim energy, blood flow, prostate function, even confidence, and it won't cost you a single cent. Stay with me for just a few short minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and why it works. Because the truth is, your best years aren't over. They're waiting to be reignited. And it all begins with this one simple habit. So let's get started without any delay. Let's begin with what changes in the male body after 50. To put it simply, your vascular system begins to age, gradually and silently. Think of your blood vessels as flexible tubing designed to carry rich oxygenated blood to every vital structure. As the years pass, they lose elasticity, just like an old garden hose. Blood doesn't flow as it once did, especially to the lower pelvic region, which is central to male virility and overall well-being. Concurrently, a different problem arises: muscular atrophy in the pelvic region. Muscles weaken, then tighten, becoming dysfunctional. It's like finding a rubber band that's gone stiff from disuse. There's no resilience left. But what if there were a way to gently reawaken those muscles and restore healthy blood flow again? There is. And the best part? You can do it discreetly at home in just 1 minute a day. There's a specific zone of your body, often overlooked, that holds tremendous potential for revitalizing male function. Anatomically, this area is called the perineum, located between the scrotum and the anus. In holistic Eastern medicine, it was revered as a critical energy center, sometimes referred to as the gate of vitality or million gold point due to its profound influence over male reproductive health. Modern clinical understanding complements this view. This small area is closely tied to multiple crucial structures: major arteries that supply the pelvis, nerve branches responsible for both sexual and urinary function, and the prostate gland, situated just above it. By gently massaging this spot, you're not just stimulating skin, you're activating an intricate network of vascular, muscular, and neural systems. It's the equivalent of rebooting an essential control panel. Locating it is simple: recline comfortably, either lying back with knees bent or sitting. With clean hands and trimmed nails, use 2 fingers to apply soft, mindful pressure right between the scrotum and the anus. It might feel tender or spongy, like pressing on a ripe piece of fruit. That's your cue that you found the right place. Use small circular movements, about 30 seconds in one direction, then 30 seconds in the other. A total of 1 minute. That's it. Alternatively, you can try pressing and holding for 5 seconds before gently releasing or using a vertical rocking motion. Experiment to find the method your body responds to best. Expect the area to feel unfamiliar at first. Most men haven't consciously focused here in decades. That sense of newness is simply your nervous system reconnecting with long neglected tissues. Now, if you want to enhance the effects even further, consider incorporating natural therapeutic oils. My top recommendation is warm castor oil. This dense oil is known for its ability to penetrate deep into tissue layers, increasing circulation and breaking up stagnation. When gently warmed in your palms before application, men often report a comforting heat, an indication that dormant blood flow is being restored. Coconut oil is another excellent option, particularly for those with sensitive skin. It absorbs quickly and offers plant-based compounds that may even play a role in hormonal support. For those looking for something traditional yet powerful, black seed oil, used for centuries across the Middle East for male health, may give you an added layer of benefit. While slightly harder to source, many men find it worth the extra effort. This practice isn't just surface-level wellness, it's biological revitalization. Each time you press and release, you're encouraging more oxygenated blood to reach tissues that may have gone neglected for years. Compressed nerves begin to decompress. Pelvic muscles become engaged again. The prostate, often a site of concern in aging men, receives a gentle, non-invasive boost in circulation. All of this has measurable impacts: improved urinary flow and control, decreased nocturnal urination, less pressure in the lower back and hips, even a renewed sense of confidence. Okay, so why does this work so well? The pelvic floor functions like a hidden foundation for the male body. It holds essential organs in position, supports bladder control, and contributes to sexual performance. Yet, like any set of muscles, it weakens with inactivity. When reactivated through intentional, mindful massage, it becomes stronger and more responsive. Morning and evening are ideal times to do this practice. Your testosterone levels naturally peak in the morning, making it a great time to support your endocrine system. Evening massage, on the other hand, helps calm the nervous system, supporting restful sleep and nocturnal rejuvenation. If you're looking to enhance physical intimacy, try performing this massage 2 to 3 hours beforehand and see how your body responds. For best outcomes, begin by practicing every other day. After a week, move to daily sessions. Treat this with the same consistency you'd apply to brushing your teeth. Brief, but daily attention is what creates lasting transformation. A few cautionary reminders: never apply excessive pressure. This is not a deep tissue massage and should never cause soreness. Stay attuned to how your body feels. Another common mistake is inconsistency. Results take time. Try this technique for 2 full weeks before evaluating its effect. Finally, don't use random chemical-based lotions. Stick to natural, high-quality oils your skin can absorb, with all sessions performed directly on the skin. The results, consistently impressive. I've had patients in their 60s and 70s tell me they feel 10 years younger. One client, Robert, age 72, noticed nothing at first. Then during week 2, his energy increased. By week 3, his wife asked what had changed. His eyes sparkled more. He moved with vitality. He simply felt empowered. Another man, James, age 64, reported resolution of chronic hip discomfort after a month of consistent self-massage. His physical therapist was baffled, but we weren't. When circulation is restored and old nerve pathways are reawakened, the entire body has the chance to reorganize itself toward healing. The benefits of this technique go far beyond male performance. Sleep quality improves, energy levels rise during the day, mental clarity sharpens. The confidence that returns when a man feels fully in control of his body, it's unlike anything a prescription can provide. You don't need to accept decline as a given. You don't need to rely solely on pills that may or may not work and often come with side effects. 1 minute a day. That's all it takes to build a new habit, one that taps into your body's innate ability to regenerate. This isn't folklore. It's biology. It's anatomy. It's your body and your choice. So here's what I recommend. Include this in your morning or bedtime routine. Keep your chosen oil visible, next to your toothbrush, in your nightstand, wherever you'll see it daily. Track your progress, even briefly. How much energy did you feel today on a scale of 1 to 10? Note even subtle changes. After a month, look back. You may be surprised just how far you've come. And remember, this isn't about doing it perfectly. Life gets hectic. Skip a day, just begin again tomorrow. Even 3 or 4 times a week can offer sustainable improvement. Gentlemen, the path forward is yours to choose. Will you continue to accept the narrative that aging means inevitable loss? Or will you take 1 minute each day to activate your body's own incredible capacity for healing? Many of my male patients who commit to 30 days of this simple technique tell me the same thing. I wish I had known about this years ago. You haven't missed your window. It's still wide open. You deserve to feel strong, sexually healthy, and vibrantly alive at any age. So take action, starting tonight or tomorrow morning. Give your body 30 days of consistent care. It may just change your life.